Hey guys, it's the Psychic Kid here, back with another video, and today we're just going to be playing some Jailbreak. I'm probably going to be like, cop. I'm going to try to arrest lots of people. That was easy. Free 400 cash. I'm grinding for, anybody here? I'm grinding for the Lamborghini because I have the four-wheeler, I have the motorcycle, I have the truck, and now I'm going for this thing right here. Right now, I'm at 52,000, so, I should probably, and, 2 days ago, every time I play Jailbreak, I'll get around 10,000 every time. But before we fully start this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And maybe we are getting super close to 100 subscribers. And once I get to 100, I'm going to do the biggest live stream ever. I'm going to go for 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, I'm going to be playing with you. And we're going to be just having fun. I'll definitely play with y'all. Y'all can tell me what kind of games y'all want me to play, and just kind of the stuff like that, you know. But it's gonna be crazy. If y'all ask me to do something crazy, I'm probably gonna do it because, probably because I just hit 100 subscribers, so that's probably why I'll do it. So, yeah. So let's just get straight into the video, guys. I'm getting close, and I haven't got it yet because I haven't been posting in a while. I've got a new house. I've got a haircut. I have no more box now. So I have a really nice house. It's a 2-story now instead of just a 1. So yeah, and I'm gonna be going to middle school in a couple months. So yeah. Wish me luck. Anyways, let's just get right into this. Right now, gas station. I'm trying to go for that right now. I can't turn around. Well, it's probably too late, so I'm just gonna go somewhere else. Trying to fit through this. Wait, could just camp right around this corner and wait, but that's gonna, Julie, I can't say store, jeez, but I found this cool glitch. Wait, is that a guy? Sure is. Crap, dude, what's the frick? Come on, come here. Come here. Come on. What's up, dude? I'm lowering him to super low. Gosh, I'm scared. Dude, I'm almost dead. Frick this. Oh my gosh. At least I only dropped a pistol, not a keycard. Anyways, I'm just gonna try to aim I've already got my 12,000 today, so hopefully within 5 days I might be able to get it. But I'm trying to go for an extra 10,000 today, and I just realized I'm the only police. Wait a second, I'm gonna see these peeps' bounties. 4,200, 1,700. That guy that killed me, yeah, 600. So if I were to arrest him, I would have gotten 600 extra. I want to go for a Kansas killer. So if I see somebody and their name is either Dirt Bike Jeffrey Brain or Kaz Killer or whatever, we can just get tons of money from them. You know? Anyways, is there any prisoners? How's there prisoners? I'm one of the only cops. Oh yeah, there's one now. But, I don't even know where that guy's at. Bank. Please say there's a helicopter up here. If there's no helicopter, I'm dead. Yes, helicopter. Okay, we're going to the bank, guys. Whew. Okay, let's go to the bank. Wait, I didn't see who robbed the bank. I didn't look at it. Wait, did he just rob it? The bank? Or is he robbing it? I think he's... Let's see. Dude, I just forgot to lock it. Oh well. Oh. Good thing I don't have volume on, because I just heard some copyrighted music. There's no way he's gonna get out without being arrested. Which one is that? Dude, I think there's two. That's the dinosaur guy. I'm pretty sure his is like 800. And I think, yeah, who's that? Which one's? It's the dirt bike guy. So he has like over 1,000, I think. Yeah, over 1,000. Around 1,600. As long as nobody over here sneaks up on me, I'm good. Crap, there's another one? What the? Dude, this game is freaking messed up. At least I get one. Dang, this thing is messed up. Is there another guy? Oh yeah, I got the bounty. I did get the bounty. I did get the bounty. Crap. Is he still hiding there? Us fans. Crap. I got put out. Okay, anyways, oh crap, this is the guy. Wait, which one is this? The brain? Dude, he has 1,700. That's a nice little boost. So we're already almost there. 5,000 right there. This is the same car I use right here. But just because, dude, where's my helicopter? Did someone freaking took it? Guess I'm gonna have to use one of my cars. Dude, I really want that other guy's. He has like, right now, he probably has 3,000 because he got away. To be honest, I'm glad he ran away because that means, ooh, what the? Just, crap, dirt bag, dirt bike, or whatever. I'm hiding. Get on my level. Come on. What's up? Crap. Oh, double team, run. Dude, I can't see my health. Okay, there we go. He's right there. How did not? Whew, crap. 1,500 noise. Dude, is he getting broke out? He got broke out, dude. Do I keep my money? You ain't escaping that easily. Dude, man. Come on. Dude, really? Yeah. What? He was just there. Dude! Finally! Jeez. I'm gonna wait at the top. Dude, how much? I have 56,000 currently. And a couple minutes ago, I found a couple glitches while I was preparing for this. If you crouch and jump off this, it does this weird glide. And I also learned a couple days ago, like literally by myself, you can glitch through these. They're super easy to glitch through. Hopefully I can get it right now. Did he just escape? Yep. Hello, Governor. Huh. You jackknifed yourself. Boom! Another one. 56,000. Cat killer is over there. That's what it means. There he is, cat killer. Come on. If I get him, I'm gonna have like the jackpot. Never mind. Dude, that Bugatti. Bugatti is fast. Dude, why does it go so fast when it backs up? There we go. I thought it was staying up there. Come on, come down. Dude, it's like impossible to get him. There he is. Dude, look how fast that thing goes. Can't believe I'm holding off all these people. I still haven't got the Kaz kill. Dude, where is he? Dude, we just have to arrest him. Ooh, donut shop? I don't think I'm gonna make it. Might as well just stop by right here. Oh, is that a guy? Yeah, that's a guy right there. How clueless is this guy? He's pretty clueless. Yeah, he's like clueless. She doesn't even know how to run. Wow, this is her first time playing, I guess. Just to be honest, I wasn't that good either, so. Is anybody here? Whoop. Crap, get out. Boom. Just making sure I got him. Bank, bank. Dude, where's my heli? There it is. Let's go. I'm not gonna slip them up this time. I hear Bugatti. Nope. So much copyright music. Okay. Got camp right up. No, me arrest these. What? So he's in there. He literally got through. Let me back down. No! Why'd I do that? Is he in there? Yep, he's in there. He's in there. Oh! Dude, by the way, I made a different standing pose. See? Only costs like 85 Robux. So, yeah. It just felt like I should have mentioned that. Dude, I have 1 minute left of my recording thing. I gotta hurry up. Come on, guys. Can't sit there forever. Guys, I'm not gonna be able to record. Yeah, come on. Can't be, wait, is one of them's the dirt bike guy. Is that Kazaz or whatever? Yeah, come on, scaredy baby. Yeah, one's Kazaz. Or whatever. Dude, oh my gosh, these guys need to hurry up. Which one's that? Let's get it! 6,000! Oh my gosh, guys. That's enough for this video. We have reached our goal of 63,000, and yeah, I'll see you on next time, guys. Peace